Hi guys, these are the fidgets I recommend and don't recommend for a car ride. First, I would definitely highly recommend Tingles since they're really quiet and really fun and entertaining. Next, I recommend a Dimple since it's really satisfying to pop. Next, I also recommend the Poppet since it's really nice, but I don't recommend mini ones since they can get lost. Next, I recommend these. I'm not sure what they're called, but I definitely recommend them because you can help them as a plushie. Now on to the fidgets I don't recommend for school. For a cart ride. First, I don't recommend monkey noodles since they're really thin and could get stuck somewhere or can get lost easily. Next, I definitely do not recommend marble meshes because they're when you drop them they are quite hard to find. Next, I do not recommend wacky tracks since they're pretty loud and really loud when you drop them and might not be able to find them easily. Next, I do not recommend mini squishmallows since they're too small for a car ride. And that's all the fidgets that I recommend and don't recommend for a car ride. Bye!